In the boating world, General Motors' 8.1-liter V8 engine has long been the standard for a wide variety of applications, with an established reputation for proven power, reliability, and durability. In fact, the gas-powered 8.1-liter is one of the most widely installed V8s in the boating industry. Now, GM is ushering in a new era of V8 marine engines by releasing the new 6.0-liter LST, an engine that will exceed the 8.1-liter in performance, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. The 6.0-liter LST is based on GM's legendary Chevy small block V8, which forged a well-earned reputation for delivering pulse-pounding horsepower and torque in the muscle cars of the 1960s and early 70s. Over 90 million small block V8s have been built since its inception in 1955. So the new 6.0-liter LST engine starts with a solid, proven, time-tested foundation. The 6-liter LST produces more top-end horsepower and torque and a higher top-end RPM range, while providing excellent pulling power out of the hole.
With the LST engine, we designed it out of the box to be capable of the kind of airflows, the kind of temperatures, the kind of pressures, the kind of loads that the supercharger would put in place. But the advantage of the supercharged engine is you've got power at higher speeds that overtakes what the big block was able to put out, and it just takes off from there.
And even with its improved performance, the 6.0-liter also delivers better fuel efficiency and cleaner emissions. In a head-to-head comparison, the new 6-liter LST will simply outperform the same boat with an 8.1-liter engine, from launch to top speed. When vessel size, weight, hull design, and load are equal, the 6.0-liter LST engine offers quicker acceleration and faster cruising speed than the 8.1-liter engine. This advantage holds true no matter whether the application is a ski boat, fully ballasted wake boat, pleasure cruiser, or even a hot rod racing boat. GM Powertrain knows that boat manufacturers need more than just an engine that performs well. They want engines that are shipped marine dedicated, with upgraded components that can stand up to harsh conditions, and fewer parts that need to be replaced with marine-specific components.
The smaller package size allows the marinizer efficiencies in terms of packaging. It's smaller in terms of length, width, height. It's lighter weight. So all those things will aid the marinizer in trying to improve his ability to package that engine in whatever boat he might be working with.
The LST engine develops its superior power and torque in part from a new supercharger, which is ceramic coated for protection against high temperatures and saltwater operating environments. The supercharger is mounted in the lower part of the intake manifold to maintain a low engine profile, and features 4 highly twisted flutes for improved efficiency and very low noise levels. Other marine-ready features on this latest member of GM's Gen 4 engine family are a block-mounted oiler, superior engine sealing in critical areas, a wide-tooth flywheel ring gear to accommodate inboard and stern drive applications, PTO features on the crankshaft pulley for marine water pumps, a large volume oil pan with dual drain plugs for service flexibility, and the LST can be fitted with GM Powertrain's advanced MEFI fuel control system that continuously adjusts the fuel-air ratio to provide optimal combustion and enhanced fuel economy.
We chose boosting because what you're doing then is you're compressing the air and injecting it into the cylinder, so for a smaller cylinder size, you're actually charging the cylinder with additional air. That gives you the power you need.
Durability in harsh environments is critical, so the new 6.0-liter LST engine is validated to both marine and medium-duty truck specifications. In fact, the LST engine has been tested to more than 10 times the specifications in the Global Engine Durability Testing Schedule for marine engines. It has also been tested at high altitudes, ensuring performance and durability under difficult atmospheric conditions.
We have a whole test matrix that we go through, whether it's what's the emission performance, what's the fuel economy performance, how does it perform from a cold standpoint, how does it perform at altitude, how does it perform when it's hot.
Noise levels are kept to a minimum with the LST supercharger's low-profile mounting, new blower design, and fluted impellers.
We went from a 3-lobe rotor to a 4-lobe rotor. That changes the frequency characteristics. We went from 101-tooth gears to connect the two rotors together from 56-tooth gears. That changes the frequency characteristics. And then the twist of the rotor went from 60 degrees of twist to 160 degrees of twist from end to end, and you don't even hear the supercharger whine that people are typically used to hearing.
And the new 6.0-liter LST engine also has replicated exhaust ports, which means exhaust manifolds for many engines in the Gen 4 GM family will also fit the new 6-liter LST engine. The advanced features of the 6-liter LST engine provide outstanding benefits for power boaters, benefits that offer advantages in every application. GM's new 6.0-liter LST supercharged V8 marine engine, built on a solid foundation, with more horsepower and torque than the time-tested 8.1-liter, more fuel efficient, and with cleaner emissions than other marine engines, thoroughly tested to stand up to the extremes of marine applications. The 6-liter LST marine engine from General Motors Powertrain, the new standard in power boating performance.